Hello, what up there? You are watching Atmosphere, and in this video, I will be telling you how you can get really good marks in your entrance examination related to architecture. So first of all, if you don't know about the examination that are there in architecture, so I have made a video related to 4 exams that you can apply for entering any architecture college in India. So watch that video and it's given in this I button. So first of all, I want to tell you about myself. So I appeared for NATA and IIT Mains Paper 2 and various other examinations for architecture back in 2017. So that time when I appeared for the examination, there was actually no one to guide me how I have to proceed and how I can prepare for my examination. So I will be sharing all the things that you will be needing for your preparation and what you all can do to get really good marks. After giving my exams, I realized that what are the mistakes I did and what are the things that I did helped me succeeded in my examination, that is of NATA and JEE Mains. And because of my preparation, I got School of Planning and Architecture Delhi from JEE Mains Paper 2. And this video will be related to everything about your preparation, about your counseling, about your books, about your like each and every single part that you will be needing for your preparation will be discussed in this video. So please watch this video till the end. So let's discuss about IIT Mains Paper 2, how I did my IIT Mains Paper 2 and how I prepared for it. The first thing that I started was of searching what I will be needing for examination, and I find that maths is a compulsory part, and IIT Mains Paper 2 doesn't have any physics and chemistry part. So this is the benefit of IIT Mains Paper 2. You have to prepare only for maths in your 12th, and then you can give 100% in that maths section. And what after the new things that you will be learning for IIT Mains Paper 2 will be your aptitude part and will be your drawing section. So for 12th you just need your maths exam, like you have to prepare for maths at its best. And what after that you can do is that you can prepare for architecture aptitude test and drawing section as well. So that is the plus point of giving IIT Mains Paper 2 rather than giving NATA, because as you know, IIT Mains Paper 2 have some of the best college of architecture. The counseling that they provide is having some of the best colleges of architecture in India. Unlikely NATA, you have to prepare for physics, chemistry, and math. You have to prepare all these 3 subjects, and you will be focusing for your 12th examination as well, and you have to prepare for this NATA as well, and you have to cover these 3 subjects thoroughly. That is the disadvantage. And add on to NATA is that you have to give you have to learn aptitude and drawing as well. For 2020, people were lucky that they got PTQs questions instead of drawing questions, because everything was done online, so they don't have to draw. But in 2021, that might not be the same case. So you have to prepare for drawing as well. So my opinion will be that prepare for both the exam and sit for both the exam, and after result, the colleges that you are getting from either entrance exam, so the best college from either exam, take that college. And I myself appeared for both the examination, that is of IIT Mains Paper 2 and NATA. So I will also advise that do prepare for both the exam. It's not like prepare for only IIT Mains Paper 2 or prepare for only NATA. That is not the case that you should follow up. So now I will be discussing about how you can prepare for IIT Mains and NATA at same time. So what I will be suggesting, first of all, related to maths, is that give your 100% in your 12th. Like you have to give 100% in maths, because maths is in both the part, in NATA and IIT Mains Paper 2 both. So first of all, prepare your maths in 12th, that you can compete in architecture entrance exam. If you are preparing for NATA, then also understand that you have to prepare for physics and chemistry. And I would say that physics chemistry of NATA in comparison to IIT Mains Paper 1 is very simple. You can easily solve those questions if you are preparing for IIT Mains Paper 1. Like people do like that. So don't need to go in depth in physics and in chemistry, but still, yeah, you should understand the basic question that could be asked in NATA. So that if you will be preparing for your 12th, then definitely you will be answering that NATA question as well. The 12th question and the NATA question is not that, like, the level is same, it's not that different. So if you will be preparing your 12th at its best, so you will be having your IT mains and NATA both examination in your hand. So let's talk about architecture aptitude test. So what is actually architecture aptitude? So I would like to tell you that in architecture, before designing anything, you have to visualize object. So visualization is the main key for becoming an architect, and this is a skill that is developed. In aptitude, that is the main portion that is of 3D visualization. And what you have to do is that you have to understand top view, elevation, plan, and a 3D things. Like imagine you have a 3D thing and you have to visualize its top view and elevation. So you have to understand these terms, and visualization is the main part of aptitude. And what I can offer is that I am having a webinar, so people are enrolled in it, and what I do there is that I being in architecture and doing and studying in architecture college, I do develop this skill within me. So I am having this webinars and you are good to go for this 3D visualization. The second part within the architecture aptitude is your general knowledge about architecture. So in that, what you will be learning is about architects and their buildings. Like general knowledge of what is happening around in architecture is required for IT mains paper 2 and NATA as well. So these are the two part of aptitude that you will be learning, and I have covered everything in the webinar. So yeah, do check that out. So the third part that we are going to discuss is about drawing. So what is drawing and what you will be needing in drawing? So in comparison to other entrance examination like NIFT and NIDs and all, you will be having a totally different drawing in architecture exam. So what you need is that understanding of many things like perspective, 1 point perspective, 2 point perspective drawing, 3 point perspective drawing. So these are the type of drawing that you have to understand. Then you have to understand the relation between light and shadow. So how an object will respond in light and what will be the shadow of that, that is also a main part. And the other thing is that you have to understand scale, proportion, texture, and there are a lot of other things that you have to understand in drawing. So after understanding all these points, you are good to go for your entrance examination drawings. So let's discuss about the webinar that I'm providing. So in that webinar, I will be giving you aptitude preparation and your drawing preparation, and I will be discussing about my strategies, how I got School of Planning and Architecture Delhi through IIT JEE Mains, and I will be also giving you advice related to counseling, how you can get JOSA counseling done and even NATA counseling done. So every instruction related to webinar is given in the description. Just follow whatever is given in the description and you are ready to go for the webinar. I also want to tell you why I started this webinar, because at my time I was really confused and there was no one to guide me. So this webinar is all for you and it will give 100% impact in your preparation. So I would suggest do join that. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more videos related to architecture, subscribe to Archmosphere. See you next time.